In automotive, layout mistakes and intralogistics issues don't show up as a minor inconvenience. They show up as delays. That's why simulation matters. You can verify flow and identify risks before you change anything in the real factory. Here is a real example.
Toyota Motor East Japan was looking for a better way to review factory layout and logistics processes. The goal was simple: make the full flow visible, not just individual steps in separate drawings. They started with a pilot in a parts supply logistics warehouse. Using MELSOFT Gemini's standard library components, the warehouse process was recreated in a 3D, quickly and efficiently. The immediate benefit? The entire flow becomes clear at once. Routes, handovers and interactions, in a way that 2D layouts often can show. One specific issue was forklift interference, leading to delays. In Gemini, you can test different operating methods and layout options and verify whether conflicts disappear before making changes on site. And when production conditions change day by day, paper-based checks make it difficult to pinpoint what's really limiting performance. Simulation helps make hidden issues visible, so improvement efforts focus on the real constraints.
If your layout decisions still depend on guesswork, you're paying for it later, in delays, rework and disruption. With MELSOFT Gemini, you can prove the flow in 3D first and act with confidence. Start optimizing today, see results tomorrow.